Hey guys,
Hi friends!
welcome back to the channel.
And if you're new here, welcome to our channel.
I'm Joe.
And I'm Janae.
Today we out dog walking.
Yes, this is Ella. Ella.
Meeting the local people.
Yes.
Showing off the doggy. It's a beautiful day. We had a storm, Ashley, here.
Yesterday, yes.
And it was bad during the night, and the next day it's
Nice,
peaceful.
and the sun is shining and it's not that cold. But in the park that we're walking in, you can see like branches and leaves and stuff on the ground. It's not that bad, but I mean it's there.
Just before we forget, I just want to thank Beyonce.
Thank you, Beyonce. Oh shit.
Don't take our YouTube account down. Okay, so we're done with the dog walking thing.
Yes, now it's on to
More,
pregnancy things.
yeah, more stuff I need to do for her.
Help me build a crib, help me move my room so that we can get it baby ready, and then the possible doctor's appointment between the next either today or tomorrow for some vaccines. And what else is there?
I have to go and drop stuff at a charity shop.
Yeah, make some more space for the baby.
Oh, that's it. Well, thank you for coming along today. Joining our dog walking.
Yes, and we will take you along on our journeys further throughout whatever.
Bye
Bye
bye.
guys.